Hello and welcome back to the Cook Hub. Today we are going to make perfect crispy onion barista. We will start by thinly slicing two medium onions. Try to keep the slices as even as possible so that it helps them cook uniformly. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, you can add in the sliced onion in small batches. I am adding it all at once as I have only two medium sized onions, but if you have taken more than that, you can add them in batches so that it will not lead to uneven cooking. Stir occasionally to ensure they brown evenly. Once the onions look translucent, you can add in a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix. Stir in the onions occasionally so that they brown evenly. Also do this process between low to medium flame. Once the onions start browning, add in a pinch of sugar to this and again give it a good mix. Now let this sit on low to medium flame. Fry the onions until they are golden brown and crispy. Be careful, onions can go from perfectly done to burnt in seconds, so remove them just before they look fully brown as they will darken slightly after. Once they are golden brown, take them out in a plate, spread them and let them cool completely. They will get even crispier as they cool. Our crispy golden onion barista are ready, perfect as a garnish for biryani, pulao, curries or any dish that needs a burst of flavor and crunch. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Cook Hub.